Hello my lovelies. I thought I would sit and speak with you today. It's something that I don't normally do, but I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Sonia and I have a few hobbies, as you can see by my videos, and one of those hobbies is handwriting. I am not a professional handwriter, calligrapher or hand letterer. It's just something that I really enjoy doing. Sitting here today, speaking to you like this, is so out of my comfort zone. But I understand that in order for me to build my confidence, I need to do this. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, but it's just that fear of putting myself out there and receiving bad comments. But I've got to a stage where I really don't care. So I guess what has pushed me to talk in this video, and I will be talking in all of my videos from now on, is people feel the need to leave horrible comments. And all I can say to them is, if you have nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't mind receiving negative feedback at all. It's just that there's negative feedback and there's horrible feedback. And I just don't think there's any need for it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.